When it comes to cooking, there's a reason why cast iron pans have been a staple in kitchens for generations. Their unmatched heat retention, even cooking, and versatility make them indispensable for both professional chefs and home cooks alike. This Calphalon Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron 12-inch fry pan takes all the classic benefits of cast iron and enhances them, offering an exceptional cooking experience. Whether you're searing meat, sautéing vegetables, or even baking in the oven, this skillet can do it all. With its durable pre-seasoned surface, oversized handle for easy lifting, and heat retention abilities, the Calphalon cast iron skillet is a must-have tool for anyone looking to step up their cooking game. Read on to discover why this 12-inch beauty should be your next kitchen investment. Why choose the Calphalon Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron 12-inch fry pan? Number 1. Superior heat retention for even cooking. Cast iron is known for its incredible heat retention, and this Calphalon skillet takes full advantage of that. Whether you're cooking up a batch of crispy chicken or preparing a mouth-watering frittata, the heat distribution is steady and reliable, giving you perfectly cooked meals every time. No more worrying about hot spots or unevenly cooked food. This skillet ensures that your dishes are cooked evenly and stay warm until you're ready to serve. Number 2. Pre-seasoned for a non-stick cooking experience. If you've ever struggled with seasoning your cast iron pans, you'll appreciate the pre-seasoned surface of the Calphalon 12-inch skillet. Right out of the box, the skillet is ready to use, and the non-stick surface helps prevent food from sticking, even when you're cooking delicate items like fish or eggs. With each use, the seasoning improves, making this skillet more reliable over time. Plus, the pre-seasoning means less maintenance, as you won't have to worry about seasoning it from scratch. Number 3. Versatility at its best. The Calphalon cast iron fry pan is perfect for a wide range of cooking methods. From stovetop searing to oven-baked dishes, this pan is built to handle it all. Its 12-inch surface area allows you to cook multiple servings at once, making it ideal for family meals, dinner parties, or meal prepping. Whether you're grilling steaks on the stovetop and finishing them in the oven, baking cornbread, or even broiling your favorite dish, this skillet can do it all. It's a one-stop solution for all your cooking needs. Number 4. Durability and ease of handling. The Calphalon 12-inch cast iron fry pan is designed to last for generations. Constructed from high-quality cast iron, it is both sturdy and durable, capable of withstanding even the most intense cooking techniques. The oversized handle makes it easy to lift and maneuver, ensuring a secure grip even when the pan is full and hot. No more worrying about fumbling with awkward or uncomfortable handles. The ergonomic design makes it easy to cook with, even for long periods. Number 5. Oven and broiler safe. One of the standout features of the Calphalon Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron skillet is its ability to transition seamlessly from stovetop to oven to broiler. Whether you're looking to finish off a seared steak in the oven or bake a sweet dessert, this skillet can handle the heat. It's designed to withstand extreme temperatures, making it perfect for high-heat cooking and roasting. The ability to use it in the oven or broiler adds an extra layer of flexibility, ensuring that you can execute a wide range of cooking techniques with ease. Number 6. Lifetime warranty for peace of mind. When you invest in a high-quality product like the Calphalon 12-inch cast iron skillet, you want to know that it's built to last. Thankfully, Calphalon backs this skillet with a lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind and confidence in your purchase. It's rare to find a product that offers both excellent performance and a lifetime guarantee, so you can rest assured that this skillet will be a valuable addition to your kitchen for years to come. Key features: pre-seasoned cast iron construction for easy food release and long-lasting non-stick cooking. 12-inch diameter provides plenty of cooking space for family-sized meals. Superior heat retention for even cooking and warm food until serving. Versatile for stovetop, oven, and broiler use, great for searing, baking, and broiling. Oversized handle for easy lifting and maneuvering. Oven and broiler safe, up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Lifetime warranty for durability and peace of mind. Who should buy the Calphalon Pre-Seasoned Cast Iron skillet? Home cooks who love traditional and slow cooking methods and want a reliable, versatile skillet. families who need a large cooking surface to prepare multiple servings at once, anyone who enjoys searing, baking, or broiling meats, vegetables, or even desserts, those looking for a durable kitchen investment that will last for generations. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.